How to use Omnisend Easy Beginners Tutorial. If you're running an online store and not using any email marketing properly, you are leaving money on the table. Now, in this video, I'll show you how to use Omnisend step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. So, by the end of this video, you're not only going to know how to set up Omnisend, build your email list, but you're also going to learn how to create campaigns and automate your marketing. Now, this is one of the easiest ways to increase sales without actually spending more on ads. Now, what is Omnisend and why does it actually matter? Now, Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing tool designed for e commerce businesses. Now, Omnisend is going to help you collect emails, send campaigns, automate messages, and recover lost sales. Instead of relying only on ads, you build your own audience. To start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead and set up your account. So to do that, you're going to come over to omnisend.com, which is their website. And over here, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come and click on Start Free. Now, once you click on Start Free, it's going to bring you to the whole onboarding section where you're going to add in your account details and start creating an account for yourself. So here in Omnisend, it says start using Omnisend for free. Now you can either sign up with your Shopify, your Google, or your email. Now, one other thing that I should let you know before getting into it is that Omnisend works best with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce because once connected, it will automatically sync your customers and data. Now, this is important because your marketing becomes data driven. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go ahead and sign in with my Google. And once we sign in with our account, we're simply going to click on continue. And once that is done, it's going to bring us to this registration. No credit card required, sign up totally for free. What you're going to do is you're going to set up a strong password for yourself, your business. Let's go with e-commerce in this case. All right. And once we have done that, you're going to agree with their terms and click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, it's going to ask you your store name and everything. So just go ahead and write that in. Once that is done, it's going to choose the platform you're working on. So let's go with Shopify. Let's go with Active Campaign. And what you're going to need to do from here is you're going to add in your website's URL. All right. Once that is done, click on continue. From here, you're going to go ahead and add in your address. Once you go ahead and add in your address, what's going to happen from there is it's going to onboard you on to the next step. Click to continue to Omnisend. And once it's done, it says setting up your account. This could take up to a minute. Usually it will take like a few seconds and take you straight to your dashboard. Now, once you're signed up and you have come to your dashboard, basically everything is going to look somewhat like this. It's a pretty decent user interface. Everything is pretty straightforward, not out of the blue, and really fun to look at. Now, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to build your email list. All right. Because no list equals to no sales. So what you're going to do is you're going to use forms to actually collect your emails. And those forms could be pop-up forms, embedded forms, or exit intent forms, offer something valuable across to them. So what you can do is you can actually go ahead and start creating lists by going on forms over here. And once you go over to forms, here you're going to get two options, which says preview and launch form or view other form types. So you can go ahead and preview and launch your forms, which is going to take you to the form editor. Now over here, you can start creating your very own forms. You can choose if it's a pop-up, you can choose if it's embedded or whatever. So over here, make sure to go with something valuable like discounts, free guides, exclusive offers, or something that really catches the audience like a call to action. Because this is how you're going to grow your first audience. So get 10% off your first order, being the first to hear about the product drop. You're going to enable that form. Now, it says there's no link to the privacy policy, so you can actually go ahead and add that link for yourself. All right. So I'm going to add in the privacy policy link through my website. And once I have added that for myself, what you can do is you can check it for issues. If there are no issues, everything seems good to go. And what you can do from here is enable your form. Now, once your form is enabled, you can either go ahead and get the upper plan and get more things to do with it or stay on the free plan. Now, my form is a pop-up form, and obviously it's a discount form. That's its call to action, that it's obviously going to show value to the customer by giving it a valuable first time discount. That actually attracts the audience. Then moving on, let's go ahead and create our first campaign. So you're going to come over to campaigns over here. And once you go over to campaigns here, you're going to click on create email campaign. Now in email settings, obviously you're going to choose a subject line like new launch. Okay, we're going to go with that. Sender's name, you can go ahead and write in your very own name if you want to. I'm going to go with John. Sender's email address is obviously going to be your own email address. Receive replies to different email address. You can choose that if you want to, but I'm going to turn that off. Free header, obviously a short text that follows your line's email. The name, I'm going to call it this. And once that is done, you're going to go over ahead to choose email template. Now, once you come to choose email template, it's going to bring us here where it's going to say, go ahead and create a template for yourself. Obviously, this is to promote a product for myself. So let's go ahead with this. Now, once I go ahead with this template, make sure it has a good subject line, good content and images. And obviously you're going to want to make sure to keep it simple, clean, and clear. So here you're going to add in your logo. So I'm going to replace that with the logo I want to go with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it from my computer right here. I'm simply going to add that. And once that is done, we're simply going to wait for it to load up. Now over here, once your logo is in, from here, simply go ahead and edit it according to yourself. Go with save and choose recipients. And once you choose your campaign list, go ahead and send it across and your campaign should be good to go. So now we don't only have a form created, but we also have a campaign to back it up with. Then moving on, you can go ahead and create automations through Omnisend as well. And this is the main game changer because this allows you to set up automations like welcome emails, abandoned cart recoveries, and order follow-ups. These are all things that keep your store quite uniform and straightforward, okay? And you can create an automation pretty simply. Like, let's say I want to go ahead and create an abandoned cart. You will need to connect your store if you want to do that, but creating something like this will keep it in a flow state and run automatically. You can go ahead, check and change your audiences according to yourself, or you can keep little reports and analytics according to yourself. That depends on you. Don't just send emails, actually track the results that they bring you. Open rates, click rates, conversions, all can be seen in the reports section right here. This tells you what you're working with and what you're not working with and how you're going to improve them. So that's the basic idea of it all. Now you know how to use Omnisend to build your email marketing system from scratch. So if you apply this properly, you will turn traffic into real revenue. Do make sure to subscribe for more and like this video for more tips and tricks like this, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next one. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.